everyone, welcome to Shiny's Mantra Corner.
Many a times, we go through situations in life confused, troubled, and at times completely devastated. We even think if there is any way to end it all, as there is no more hope or peace. But what we need to realize is that this hard moment when we plan to quit can turn out to be a moment where the miracle is just about to start. So hang on, stay strong. Life is not about quitting, but staying strong and experiencing that miracle which we were waiting for so long. Let us listen to some amazing experiences where a tough moment becomes the miracle moment.
Hello everyone, I'm Azim and I work here in Qatar. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy new year. I would like to thank my dear friend Oman and his wife Shiny for asking me to do this video. I would like to share my experience of being completely bogged down, physically and emotionally, and how I managed to bounce back. I got infected by the most notorious virus of 21st century so far, COVID-19. The war between me and the invisible enemy began. The days were stable, but nights were horrible. As they say, the beast comes out at night. My battle at night was very painful. It felt like doctor is performing surgery on me without giving anesthesia. The assault on the wound was being away from family, as they were stuck in India due to family visa suspension in Qatar. The stress was only snowballing and all kinds of negative thoughts were cropping up. Then I pondered, if I continue to think in the same way, my thoughts will kill me before the virus does. Life is never a bed of roses and we all face challenges professionally and personally. I realized the only person who can help me in this situation is me. And I said to myself, never give up. Stay positive and take things as they come. And I think this mantra helped. A few days later, the white blood cells started regaining territories and raised the flag of victory, and today I'm here smiling. I strongly feel that the positive thoughts of not giving up helped me during this journey. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Roshni and I'm here to talk about my journey. 9 months back, I lost my job due to the corona pandemic and I have been facing a lot of difficulties ever since then. I've faced a lot of mental depression, stress, not being able to support my family. And this was the phase when I realized that there was something that needed change, which was from me, from within. I was able to gain more understanding about my abilities. I was able to gain more confidence in my career, and I was having a little bit of difficulty trying to, express myself during interviews, and there were a lot of job applications that I was sending across. Nothing was working out to my favor. This is the time when I invested more time in myself. I tried to boost my confidence. I tried to emphasize more on improving my skills, my interpersonal skills, my career-wise skills. And God has actually been good and kind, because just few days back, I actually received a new offer after a 9 months break. My advice to everyone is to not lose your faith in yourself, not to lose confidence in yourself. Keep your abilities, keep improving yourself, invest more time and energy into self-analysis. I was able to focus more on myself and understanding more about myself, what I was capable of, and what are my weaknesses, what are my strengths, how can I improve myself and portray myself with confidence. And God actually has a good timing, and everything happens according to His will, and it is not in our hands, but it's always in God's hands. I never gave up hope in myself. I never gave up hope in my God. I had the support and encouragement and a lot of motivation from my family and friends. So my advice to everybody is to stay strong, keep your faith in yourself, and wishing everybody a happy new year. Thank you.
First of all, thank you, Shiny, for giving me this opportunity to tell my story. 2 minutes is too short, but still, let me try to do justice. Back in 2019, I was in a job, and I had the job for 8 years. And I'm not mentioning any names here, and I was pretty set in that company, but all of a sudden, in April, they gave me the notice to leave. So then I was pretty shocked, but there's nothing we could do about it. And then, along with that, a lot of people were taken out from the job. So and then I was really disturbed, and I tried really hard to get a job for almost 6 months, but it did not happen. And finally, when I was back in India in October, interviews that I had done before started turning out, and I got a call to come and join a company. I accepted it and I came, and believe it or not, while I was 1 week into that job, and it was a relatively smaller company than I was working earlier, the day I was supposed to hand over my papers for my visa, a call comes from my earlier company, which I was, and they said, "Okay, have you gotten here?" I said, "No." I said, "Okay, don't give any papers. We are trying to get you back in," and believe it or not, it came through. This is absolutely a miracle, and it came in just at the right time, and I'm thankful to God for that. I have no words to say this. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shine.
Hi, good evening. My name is Tanya De Cruz. I'm from India. Right now living in Fujairah. I'm a teacher at Arun English School, Fujairah. This video is about a miracle which happened in my life, which I will not forget lifelong. When I was pregnant for my second son during the 8th month, my husband lost his job and he had to get back to India. There was no ways of him getting back the job, and I was alone stuck in Sharjah. And then I also decided to go back to India. I went for my delivery to India. I delivered my baby. I tried many ways to come back, to get my husband a job back in UAE. With the help of God, God's grace, after 8 months, my husband got back his job at St. Mary's, Fujairah. And all glory and praise and thanks to God. And now I've delivered my 3rd son in the month of September 2020 with all the grace of God. And this is a real miracle which has happened in my life. Thank you.
One of the most scariest year ever. People lost health, jobs, there was a lot of business shutdowns, and a total chaos was seen everywhere. Me being an entrepreneur myself, I was so shattered because I was wondering, what will be my future? What's going to happen to my business? Should I shut it down? Or even if I think to carry it forward, how is it all going to be? But then again in my mind, I thought, I am not going to give up. I'm going to face it. I'm going to bounce back with so much more strength. It is really easy to give up. It is easy to quit. But what we need to understand is the moment we decide to quit could be a miracle moment. So just hang on.